Hey guys, here is Holly's Rocket Bunny. This car is, as you see there, it's a freshly built LQ9. It has 400 miles on it, some break-in miles. She has PRC heads, a big cam, fast 102 intake, Nick Williams 102 throttle body. And we got a brand new body kit coming from Japan right now, from Pandem. Has the Pandem wheels. There's a Pandem chassis mount wing coming. There's a Tomei cab back, of course, ISR, Y pipe and headers. Willwoods on the front and rear. Koyo Rad, Mishimoto fans. Holley standalone. Getting a custom chassis harness. Do you have a Nismo 2-way in this?
Yeah.
Nismo 2-way differential. What kind of axles? All the suspension. She has some aftermarket axles. There's a new dash over in this box, but she just pulled the dash, so she might just get it rebuilt. Side on hood, she's got a side and carbon fiber trunk coming. She has Cusco front and rear carbon fiber strut bars. She has a 4-point cage coming. She did have the Brad Lomaxes. She's thinking about changing those up, so we don't know what's going to go on there. The car is currently almost completely stripped, about to go to a resto shop for paint. It's going to look completely different next time you see it. We are just going to make it a roller again. GK Tech subframe bushing, solid subframe bushing, so let's pull the rear subframe. Yeah, there's going to be nothing left untouched on this car. Full interior, she's got a rear seat delete coming and rear everything delete. She's going to change the headliner up this time. But yeah, that's a quick rundown on this car.